The QuietCool Classic series of whole house fans began the QuietCool revolution. In this series, we have two lines, the Original Classic and the Energy Saver Classic, each offering multiple fans, with equivalent airflow ranging from 1500 CFM to just over 6000 CFM. The Original Classic started it all. With many model updates since being introduced in 2003, the Classic line remains our most affordable line of whole house fans on the market today. The Energy Saver Classic is an evolution of the original Energy Saver line that was introduced in 2011. With an improved R5 insulation value, this line is the premier energy-efficient QuietCool fan for do-it-yourself buyers. Using the most energy-efficient ECM motors available, the Classic series offers a 10-year warranty and is sold through authorized dealers, wholesalers, and e-commerce partners. Remember, if it doesn't say QuietCool on the label, it's just another fan.